What I would like to show you around now at this stage is our LED system for lift cars. We have all kinds of solutions, be it for new equipment, but also for retrofitting measures on existing lifts. Different solutions we offer start with plain LED systems without any frames and housings. We have some customers who prefer to provide their own housings and framings. In those cases, we can provide, like you see here, LEDs mounted on an MDF plate, which distribute quite an extreme amount of light, so we can really provide luminosity. As you can see here, we're not limited to warm white or other white colors. Cool white, as we can see here, provides a great amount of light. Smaller light fields for other projects can be provided as well. They come in all different shapes and sizes. We can really go tailor-made for the customer needs. Besides light fields and light mattings, which can be embedded in to create homogeneous lighting systems for lift cars, we also offer solutions which are simply light spots. The systems I will show you here are classical MR16 and MR4 light spots, which have G4 or G5.3 sockets. They can easily be replaced by just taking out the halogen lights. An important point, however, with those relatively simple solutions is to use stabilized power supply units. Without stabilized power supply units, generally LEDs will suffer and they won't be able to hold the lifetime they should normally have. A very useful thing, specifically in existing buildings, in existing units, to supersede with state-of-the-art technology are LED tube lights. Those LED tube lights can be easily exchanged. They run on 110 up to 220 volts. The only thing which needs to be taken care of, ballast and starter, definitely have to be removed. Otherwise, again, the LED systems will suffer. Another light system LED with enormous luminosity is PAR 30 and PAR 38 systems with E27 sockets. We won't necessarily find those in lift cars. However, in all the environment around an elevator, in the entrance area, those types of solutions can be provided and can supersede less energy efficient and less illuminated standard solutions. A spot system, which is specifically meant for new equipment, is our in-place system. We supply a driver which can be optionally equipped with an emergency light system, which means if the system works in normal operation, of course all lights, in that case we see 4 lights, are working properly. If the electricity goes, it automatically switches to emergency light mode and the electricity is drawn from the battery. Should emergency lighting systems be provided or supplied in a panel, we can also supply those types of drivers without emergency mode. Furthermore, we also can supply ready-to-install units with framing, with housing, with VSG safety glass. The light you can see up there, for example, bears actually the interior here with an MDF plate, LEDs fixed to them, and then properly put into a stainless steel housing with VSG glass. Those types of solutions can be manufactured depending on the project requirements. All sizes are practically possible. For some retrofit units, we also supply standardized solutions. As we can see them up here, it's a vandal-resistant stainless steel unit, in this case equipped with spotlights. And those spotlights can also, they bear the input system, be equipped with the emergency light mode or not. They come with a mounting frame which allows easy installation on older standardized units, for example with openings of 400 by 400 millimeter in the ceilings. A revolutionary product we introduce here on Interlift is an acrylic glass plate, which you can see up there. It has a very interesting feature, which is actually the installation height. As you can see here, it is a 8 millimeter high acrylic glass plate. LEDs are embedded on the side and can be embedded on all four sides, on a single side or on two sides, depending on the light requirements. The installation height allows a very space-saving use of this type of LED lighting in a lift car, be it on a new installation project or in existing buildings. It can be easily either glued to the ceiling, sticky band can be used as well, or it also can be drilled with an acrylic glass driller through the material and fixed to the car ceiling. We also supply a framing for that type of product, which allows to hide actually the sides of those plates and to create a real homogeneous light field. This plate can not only, as the other solutions, be provided in pure white, it can also be supplied in warm white. We're offering all different kinds of shapes, can tailor-made this type of acrylic glass plate to the needs of the customer. Standard shapes are available as well, but again, tailor-made solutions can be produced by Stingel.